Hey guys, and this is your first live look at the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 8 with a passport style form factor. It looks small and wide, can easily fit in a large hand. Samsung is also launching the Galaxy Z Fold 8 Ultra with a remote style form factor. It's basically the Z Fold 7 but with 2026 specifications. The short and wider Z Fold 8 is coming in online exclusive pistachio color, looks more like light green. Offline colors are cream, graphite and lavender. The Z Fold 8 Ultra is coming in cream, graphite, shadow violet and shadow green. Samsung Z Fold 8 gets a 5.5-inch 120Hz outer display, 7.6-inch when unfolded. There are 50 megapixel dual cameras, wide and super wide, 10 megapixel front facing selfie shooter on both inner and outer displays. Samsung is packing it with a 4800 mAh battery with 45 watts of fast charging. This all with up to 1 TB of internal storage, 12 gigs of RAM and of course Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 for Galaxy, which is powerful and power efficient. The Samsung Z Fold 8 Ultra, which is the taller model, gets a 6.5-inch 120Hz front screen which unfolds into an 8-inch inner display. There is 200 megapixel main camera, 50 megapixel super wide and a 10 megapixel 3x telephoto shooter. The battery size is 5000 mAh with 45 watts of fast charging. That is a huge upgrade, I would say. Here again, both these devices get Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 for Galaxy, which is really powerful and power efficient. Have seen this in the S26 Ultra. The Z Fold 8 gets 12 gigs of RAM and the Z Fold 8 Ultra packs 16 gigs of RAM, which is something you all should know.
Usually has their head in the clouds.
Oh, my new jacket!
Earth can be a little seedy.
Nothing weird going on here.
Just a little pruning. And fire? As ordered, we run a little hot.
Now the best part about Samsung folding phones is you can capture selfies from the rear camera using the cover screen as a viewfinder. So it's gonna capture a high resolution 50 megapixel selfie, plus you guys can also shoot super wide angle shot using the second camera. That's all guys, thanks so much for watching. Your thoughts in the comment section below and I'll meet you guys in the next one. Peace out.